Hello, everyone. Let me start by asking you a simple question. Have you ever experienced something that seemed terrible at first, but later turned out to be one of the best things that ever happened to you? Maybe you failed an exam, lost a job, ended a relationship, or missed an opportunity you really wanted. At that moment, it felt unfair and disappointing. But looking back, you realize that experience led you to something better. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on a powerful belief. Everything happens for a reason. This is more than just a popular quote. It is a mindset that helps us stay positive during difficult times and find meaning in our experiences. Life rarely goes exactly as planned. Sometimes doors close unexpectedly. Sometimes we work hard but still fail. Sometimes we face challenges that we never asked for. In those moments, it is easy to feel frustrated and ask, why is this happening to me? However, many successful people have discovered that setbacks often become stepping stones. As Steve Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward." Often, we do not understand the purpose of our struggles while they are happening. The reason becomes clear only later. Think about a seed buried in the soil. If the seed could speak, it might think it was being trapped in darkness. Yet that darkness is exactly what helps it grow into a beautiful plant. In the same way, our challenges can help us become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Another inspiring quote says, "Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together." When something doesn't work out, it may be preparing us for an opportunity we cannot yet see. Of course, believing that everything happens for a reason does not mean we should sit back and do nothing. Instead, it means we should learn from every experience, trust the journey, and keep moving forward. Failures teach us humility. Difficulties build our character. Mistakes help us grow. And challenges reveal strengths we never knew we had. One of my favorite quotes is, "Life is not happening to you. Life is happening for you." This quote reminds us to see obstacles not as punishments, but as lessons and opportunities for growth. So the next time life does not go according to your plan, remember this. You may not understand the reason today. You may not understand it tomorrow. But one day, when you look back, you may realize that what seemed like a setback was actually setting you up for something greater. Everything happens for a reason. Sometimes the reason is growth. Sometimes it is a lesson. Sometimes it is a new beginning. Believe in the process, trust yourself, and never lose hope. Thank you very much for listening. I wish all of you happiness, success, and the courage to trust your journey. Have a wonderful day.